Yo, guys, what you guys doing? You're doing nothing. What? Okay.
I'm exhausted. Let's get something sweet. Something sweet and cold to fresh up our body.
How about Australia? Sounds good, right?
Okay, I'm in.
I'm in. Let's go. Let's go. Go, go, go.
At first, we need shaved ice with coconut milk and pandan flavor, condensed milk, sago pearl, pandan bread, fermented cassava. Also, we need a medium cup and spoon. So, let's get started.
First, put 1 large spoonful of shaved ice into the medium cup. After that, add condensed milk
Also add sago pearl, pandan bread,
and fermented cassava. After that, add shaved ice and condensed milk. Finish, you can eat using a spoon.